Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new lecture. So guys, at the start of this lecture, we're just going to run through a little bit of theory based on what YouTube monetization is, and then towards the end of the lecture, we're going to look at different accounts and give you some inspiration and analyze why these accounts are so popular. So guys, listen up. Here, we're quickly going to talk about all things monetization, and I'm going to run through a particular niche and we're going to look at the potential earnings of channels within that niche to see what creators can expect to earn if they make this a success. But before that, let's go over the basics. YouTube monetization refers to the process of earning money from the content you create and upload on YouTube. YouTube began paying creators through its partner program in 2007, a few years after its launch. Initially, YouTube shared revenue with content creators by allowing them to display advertisements on their videos. Over time, YouTube expanded its monetization options, including channel memberships, super chat, super stickers, merchandise shelf, and YouTube premium revenue sharing. To be eligible for monetization and to earn money, you need to meet a certain requirements set by YouTube. They have just updated their requirements and it's now easier than ever to make money on YouTube. So as of 2023, the requirements are as follows. First up is channel eligibility. Your channel must have at least 500 subscribers. This was previously 1,000, so they've halved it. Next is you need 3 public uploads in the last 90 days. That's going to be easy, guys. 3 public uploads is nothing. We want at least 3 public uploads in at least 3 days. Okay, next is watch time. Your long form videos must have accumulated 3,000 watch hours within the past 12 months or 3 million short views in the last 90 days. So again, 3 million short views within 3 months. That's also very much doable, guys. And last but not least is adherence to policies. You need to comply with YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Basically, guys, this just means you need to behave yourself, don't copy anyone, don't steal people's content, and just be a good YouTuber. Okay, so once you meet these requirements, which is now easier than ever, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start monetizing your content. It's important to note that YouTube might update their monetization policies and requirements at any point. So I recommend always just checking the current guidelines on the YouTube Help Center. The amount creators can earn on YouTube varies greatly depending on several factors, such as the number of viewers, your level of engagement, your ad formats, your target audience, and the niche you're in. YouTube's revenue is generated through advertising, and creators typically earn a percentage of that revenue based on factors like ad impressions, ad clicks, and viewer engagement with ads. The exact earnings can be difficult to predict as they fluctuate based on various factors and are subject to YouTube's monetization policies. For some creators, YouTube can provide a full-time income. However, it's important to note that building a sustainable full-time income on YouTube often requires consistent, high-quality content, a dedicated audience, and a monetization strategy beyond just ad revenue. Many successful YouTubers supplement their earnings with brand deals, sponsored content, merchandise sales, crowdfunding, or other revenue streams. YouTube can be lucrative for those who manage to build a large and engaged audience. Top YouTubers have found significant success and have been able to turn their channels into thriving businesses. However, it's worth noting that achieving this level of success requires consistent effort, creativity, and adapting to the ever-evolving YouTube landscape. So guys, now the interesting bit. We're now going to look at a number of channels who have taken advantage of this ChatGPT Shorts trick. And as you'll see, they're absolutely killing it at the moment. So one of the most successful and easiest niches we're going to cover is the facts niche. It's a fantastic niche because the earnings potential is high and your target audience is high too. Everyone loves facts. Boys, girls, adults, we all love a good fact. And there's millions and millions of facts you could post about, so the possibilities are endless. So here's the very first channel. This one is from DP Mindset. Okay then guys, so the first one we're going to look at is DP Mindset. Now this is just a new channel based purely on nature facts. As you can see, it's got 344,000 subscribers and over 6.5 videos. So let's have a look at the description. So hello, welcome to DP Mindset. Here you can find shorts under 1 minute. Disclaimer, videos in this channel are for the educational purpose only, based on personal opinions. This is not professional advice and they're located in India. Okay, so going on to the shorts. So you can see here, it's just deep facts, girl facts, your birth month, that kind of stuff. So it's just basically facts about girls, life, about your birth month and all those kind of stuff really. You can see some boy facts in there as well, another girl fact. You can see all of these, they're actually doing really well. So 2 million views, 1.9 million views, 3 million views, 3 million views, 2.9, 2.4, 7.2, 7.1. So yeah, they're actually doing really, really well. So let's have a look at their videos. So it looks like they just remix their shorts into videos, and they get around 8.7, 2.1. Some of these are over a year ago, they're 2.4. So videos aren't doing very well, but that's understandable. So let's go to their social blade. So this is where we can see just a bit more in depth about them. So on here it says their monthly earning revenues can be anywhere between 1.2 to 18.6. Again, they're from India. Their estimated yearly earnings all the way up to 229k. Again, guys, Social Blade isn't the most accurate of platforms to look at, so do take this with a pinch of salt. But yeah, estimated monthly earnings 1.2 to 18.6. That is pretty incredible, guys. And they had 13,000 new subscribers in the last 13 days as well, which is quite high, and 7.1 million views. Next, we go to It's Quotes. So again, another one. This is just another channel based on quotes and facts and stuff. So let's have a look at about. Doesn't really have much of a description. It says God first, follow me on TT. That's fine. Nothing really to see there. So let's go to Shorts. So again, just fun facts, shower thoughts, more shower thoughts, deep thoughts. Yeah, let's have a look. So, okay, choose your own country or repeat your rap name. So they're quite cool, actually. They're quite different. So create your own rap name. So we've got loads of names on the left and loads of names on the right as well, and you kind of got to pick your own rap name from that. So yeah, and then we've got shower thoughts. So if you hear a gunshot, the bullet didn't kill you, you were once the youngest person in the world, you would always read this wrong, blah blah blah. Again, just quite entertaining, quite engaging. People are going to want to watch all of those and read all of those, and they've been doing quite well. So 2.4 million, 1.7 million. Let's have a look at the shower thoughts. Well, that didn't work. Let's go back and try and get on that shower thoughts one. The random facts. Let's click on this one. Okay, so you cannot move your toes individually. You cannot imagine a new color. The sentence: a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, so yeah, just basic stuff, guys. Just quotes on a thing. So let's go over to her Social Blade. So anywhere between 176 and 2,800 pounds per month revenue earnings. So not as much as the first one, but still quite a lot. The shorts he posts are really basic. So to earn that kind of money from this channel is really good. We don't know what country it's from, actually. It's not really showing up there. But yeah, overall quite good. So let's go to the next one. So this is the new one. Daily Facts Worth, which we'll be covering a lot in this course as a reference, guys. So 237 subscribers and 3,700 videos. So let's go through it. You will find videos that explore topics such as personality types, cognitive biases. Again, disclaimer says the videos on here are educational purpose only, and they're from the United States. So quick one of the videos, 26,000 views in 4 months. That's actually quite good for a shorts channel. So 26k is quite good on a long form video. Okay then, so let's go, let's say deep fact, girl fact, for you, male fact, boy secret, deep facts. So again, guys, they're just kind of like facts on psychology, sad facts, male facts, girls fact. 3.3, 2.8, 2.3 million views, 2.2 million views. Let's have a look at this one. 5 lies that every girl tells. I'm fine. I'm not jealous. I'm over him. So yeah, we kind of get the picture. I'm not angry. So yeah. They just lists off loads of different things that are related to facts. And psychology facts: 4 signs you're super attractive. Let's have a look. 147,000 likes. That's quite a lot, that is. Let's have a look. So you frequently catch strangers staring at you. You're rarely complimented. People raise their eyebrows when looking at you. People either really mean or really nice to you. Okay, so yeah, again, guys, really basic, but really, that's actually really quite good. Let's have a look at Social Blade. So let's have a look. 738 to 11,800 pounds per month earnings. Again, really not bad at all. They don't have, yeah, that's really good actually. The estimated yearly earnings anywhere up to 140. So it's similar to this one here, but not as high. But yeah, that's still really, really good, guys. 4.52 million views in the last 30 days, which is also really good from the US. So yeah, this is a really good channel. Again, really basic facts, really basic shorts. This is something we can do. Let's just compare it to my one actually. So type in my channel here and let's have a look at mine. So yeah, again, 7.6 million views in the last 30 days, 16,000 subscribers in the last 30 days, and yeah, 1.2 to 19k. Again, guys, it's not that accurate. I'd love to tell you I was earning 19.8 thousand pound a month, but that is not the case. But normally it's kind of wherever in those videos. So yeah, thank you very much for listening, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.